Okay. So today hi. Today I will take you through the how the how the SAP S4 HANA. Let me try this. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. So this is SAP S4 HANA functional model overview. So this is our company name, SMGURU TechGuru Technologies Solutions. It is based in Sharjah and uh, headquartered in India and US. Okay. I own this company, so we have been in this business from last 12 years. So today I will take you through the S4 SAP S4 functional model overview. Uh, so here is the agenda. So I will explain you what is SAP, what is the history, how the how SAP helps organizations to run their business efficiently, and what are the different models we have in SAP, and what are the different S4 HANA platforms and editions we have. And I'll also take you through deep dive into PP and PM. Okay. So if you have any questions, please stop me. Okay. You can ask me to hold on. You can
Paras,
speak.
excuse me.
Yeah. Please tell me.
Which module we will go to deep dive? All module or specific module?
No, we will go to deep dive only PP and PM for now because you're both are from PP and PM, right? I think Prakshit
No,
is from,
actually,
yeah.
our is I think PM and MM.
Okay. PM and MM. Okay. So today I'll take you through PP and PM and MM because it will take we can connect again tomorrow. Then I will take you through MM. Okay.
Okay.
Because it's time we have time limitation, right? Yeah.
PP mean?
Production planning. I will take you through. This is
Okay.
production planning. This is plant maintenance, material
Um,
management, quality management, extended warehouse management. This is for logistic consultants. Okay.
hmm.
I will explain you all the one by one. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
what is the SAP and history? Okay. SAP is system application and products in data processing. It is a German software, German ERP software. It was founded by five former IBM employees in year 1972. Okay, so first SAP R1 came, that is real-time architecture, uh, Tier 1 architecture 1, that came in 1972, and SAP was moved into SAP R2 in 1979, that is Tier 2. Uh, and in 1992, they have made it as a SAP R3, Tier 3. Tier 3 means there will be three different layers. Okay, database layer, presentation layer, and application layer. Okay. Uh, I can let me explain you that also. Maybe okay. Let's say this is presentation layer. Okay. So here all the users will perform transactions. Okay. When you come to application layer, where all the coding and custom uh, program all will be created. Okay, that is application layer. Database layer is where we store data, store business data, business transaction data. Okay, So this is a three-tier architecture. This is known as R3. SAP has brought this 1970, sorry, 1992. So this is a three-tier architecture. SAP has brought this in 19 okay. So then after that, in 1999, SAP has moved from SAP R3 to My SAP. Okay, that is in 1999. My SAP, there are specific components for each modules. Okay, then okay, what is ERP? How you benefit from ERP? Anyone have any idea why we use ERP in the companies? What is the main benefits from the ERP? How the customer get benefit from that? Anyone have any idea? So let's
Through
see.
ERP, we can get all applications in one platform. So,
Okay, okay, that's fine. Let me explain. Here I have customer here. Okay, customer here. Here I have sales team. Okay, here I have warehouse, production planning, maintenance. Okay, procurement, HR, so and so. Okay, let PepsiCo is my customer. PepsiCo is my customer. They let's say this is my company. My company name I can say I can highlight this company name as a Microsoft. Okay, so customer not Microsoft. Let me put uh, some ABC company name. No problem. Okay, this customer has customer PepsiCo has asked the requirement of the uh, cans packing. For example, cans that we use for to pack the the Pepsi, the final product. Okay, so PepsiCo has asked the ABC company, the cans manufacturing company to give thousand of cans. Okay, so they will place order here. They'll check first with the sales team. So sales team, what they do in without I'm trying to explain this without ERP. Okay, so let's say without ERP, what they do first they have to call to warehouse through the call, and they have to check whether stock is there or not. Okay, in that case, there might be a warehouse guy, might be he's away from the desk, or he is on the leave, or he is out of station, or he is not responding for the call. There may be delay, right? There may be delay. So in the same way, when okay, to avoid this delay, what this ERP does, uh, ERP is something it is highly integrated. Like when I say SAP ERP, so it is highly integrated with all these modules. Okay, means when the customer asks me thousands of cans, the sales team automatically he will go to SAP and he will check the stock. He will check the stock. Then he will update. Sorry, yeah. The sales guy, he will go to SAP directly to the system, and he will check the what is the stock in the system, and he will directly response to the customer that yes, we have this stock, we have 900 stock, we can deliver by tomorrow. We are going to deliver by 4th of October. Like this, he can promise customer immediately. He can confirm the customer immediately. But that is possible in SAP. That is possible in the integrated ERP system. Okay. But without ERP, there will be always will be delay in communication. There will be always will be gap in the communication, and there will be the procurement will be not proper in place, and maintenance also there will be breakdown will be there. Okay, for example, I'll say breakdown is there. In that case, what will happen? This production planning team, he will ask to he have a orders of thousand orders to produce. So if suddenly plant maintenance the machine got breakdown, okay, then he don't know this production guy don't know. So how the communication will happen now? Okay, so this is why for case two, what I take case two for maintenance, we have some shutdown. Okay, let's say shutdown we have. In that case, when these production guys go to ERP, he can find he can find particular work center or a machine is on shutdown for certain period XYZ something, certain period ABC period it is a shutdown. So he can track the in the system he can track everything. So we can track all the transactions starting from sales, warehouse, stock, production, procurement, HR team, everything. That is ERP. That is enterprise resource planning. Okay. Do you have any doubts in this? So okay. Okay. So like that is SAP. That is a SAP ERP system. Okay. Now, SAP has brought SAP S4 HANA in the year 2020, 2016. Okay. So SAP HANA is super fast. SAP S4 HANA is a super fast performance database that will help to help to organize large amount of data for any businesses. Okay, so that's why SAP S4 HANA is now most popular. In the as of now, there are top 500 uh, uh, tier one companies. You know, they are 60%. They are already moved from ECC to SAP ECC to S4 HANA. Okay. So there are still 40% people are there. The 500 tier one companies, there is still 40% yet to uh, to go to yes for HANA. Okay, but remaining all tier two and tier two and tier three companies, they are still only 20 to 30%. Only they went live with S4 HANA. Rest of rest of all they are still in ECC. SAP ECC, they call it SAP ECC, Enterprise Core Competency. Okay. So this is the status of the current S4 HANA implementation. There are only in tier one only 60% are they are completed, and tier two only 20%, and the rest of the 80% they have to move from S4 to ECC to S4. Yet to move from ECC to S4. Okay, this is the current status. Okay, so this is a history of SAP. Do you have any questions here? Anyone have any doubts? Any questions?
No.
Okay, thank you. Okay, yeah. Now,
Sir,
how the yeah Yes, yes,
What a
please.
difference between S4 HANA and SAP ECC. Why the people are shift S4 HANA? There is the
Yeah, I can say, I can tell you. Okay, I will give explanation that one. Okay. Okay. ECC is running on, I'll tell you, in some time back before this. Let me go to another sheet. So, this is a good question because we need to clarify this why they want to move. What happened to this? Okay, see, let me explain this way. Okay, SAP ECC is for now. S4, one more SAP S4 HANA. Okay, so SAP Enterprise Core Competency. Okay, it has all the features as S4 HANA has, but there is no machine learning. There is no there is no AI. Okay, and there is no IoT. These features are not there in SAP ECC. Okay, when I go to here, okay, SAP ECC, these they don't have machine learning, AI, IoT. And above all, the SAP ECC was running. SAP ECC was running on a Oracle database earlier. SAP was first they used Oracle database to store all data from SAP to Oracle. So here, this is my storage. This is my SAP used to have storage Oracle database. Okay.
yes,
Okay. So SAP has depending on Oracle database. Okay, and it is very slow. Uh, this was taking time. It was taking time in the execution. This was taking time in the performance. This was taking time in the report extraction, and this was also taking time in the execution of the transaction. Okay, so this is a case before S4 before SAP HANA brought. Okay, so SAP what they did instead of going Oracle, they own developed one in memory memory database that is very fast, one of the fastest performance platform. Okay, it is based on the GBs, just like we use disk, right? We use the storing the data in the disk. So it is based on that. They have in-memory capacity to store data, and this is a very high performance database. Okay, so as there is a
So,
one case.
excuse,
Yeah.
just like Oracle database, what is the name of S4 HANA database in memory database?
No, no. See, I am saying in memory. See, in memory, I'm saying this is a, sorry, not in memory. In memory, this is a, disk. Let's say I'll take you through exactly what. See, in memory database, S4 HANA is something, that helps organizations to large amount of data and performance wise. It is also known as in memory database. Okay, this can be deployed. Yeah, this called as in memory only, in memory database only, but it is on the cloud and on premise both. Okay, I'll explain you what is cloud and on premise later on. Okay, there is a one case
Okay.
was that before SAP moved from Oracle to SAP HANA database, in memory database, there was one case was there. There is one customer in I think US, Ferran Candy. Can you see my screen, right? Here you can see the testimony here. Why SAP has moved from Oracle to SAP HANA database. Okay. So this customer was struggling with Oracle, the performance. Okay. See, can you see here, right? So the Ferrari candy company was saying that they're saying that we did a proof of concept using SAP BW on Oracle. Mustafa said we executed the 9-step process for the use case, and we timed how long it took for the data to be rendered from the Oracle. It took 6 minutes. When Mustafa executed the same 9-step using BW on S4 HANA, the vendor in memory technology, it took only 3 minutes. Okay, means it has improved 50% of the improvement in the performance. So this is the core reason that most of customers they are moved from Oracle to HANA. Okay, so this is one of the test case I just put to for your information. So encourage to know how the SAP has how SAP customer are used to start using S4 HANA instead of Oracle database. Okay, so this is one of the one of the we can say testimony case study that helped to SAP to bring SAP HANA. Okay, so SAP HANA is a database same like Oracle, but it has high performance feature. It can store on cloud and on premise and private cloud, public cloud, all these things. Maybe if you want, I can explain you what is the cloud. Maybe we have the one slide is there. Okay. Do you have any note here?
Nothing. Okay, sir. Got it.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this is something how SAP helps organizations to run their business. So see, there are many benefits that we get from SAP ERP. Okay. Efficiency of business means if a, this will if a person doing the same repetitive task many times, so that will consume his time, right? That will consume his time, and he is unable to perform other tasks. So here in this case, what we can automate the all repetitive task. Okay, for example, let's say you want to create some order like production order. Okay, or you want to create some maintenance order. Okay, in that what will happen? See, for you have sales, you have indent for 1,000 indent. For that, you have to create these 1,000 production order, 1,000 maintenance order. Not 1,000 maintenance, maybe 1,000 production order, but there might be 10 or 20 maintenance order will be there. Okay, or 100 something. Okay, so this manual activity and this person has to perform all the procurement, uh, manual procurement. He has to call the suppliers, ask him to send the uh, raw material and ask him to check the all the packaging material. These all things happens. These are things that are manual activities. Okay, to avoid this, so SAP help to improve efficiency of the business. That means these all things will be taken care by SAP. Okay. For example, there is one feature is in SAP MRP, Material Requirement Planning. Okay. When I have the indent of 100 and I have indent of 1,000 order, automatically MRP will give production order, MRP will give your procurement order, MRP will give packaging order, everything. It will calculate based on your based on the requirement. It will calculate everything. In this way, SAP has made more efficient for the business end users. Okay. And also we can do cost saving. Cost saving means, if you SAP is the integrated, so it come up with more than 50 different modules. Okay. Finance, sales, production, like this, there are 50, more than 50 are there. So okay, so when you implement all together, you will save the around 30% of you know money to implement that. But when you go individually products, like when you buy some product from Microsoft, when you buy other products from JD Edwards, when you buy other products from other vendor, then that will cost more, right? So in this way, we can save cost, we can save money also, and scalability also there. We have it will give you your long journey. It will help you your business to improve in all the processes. Okay, and most important is improved customer service. As I told you, right, here, when the customer place order, when customer PepsiCo place a 1,000 quantity, immediately the sales guy will check in the system and he will confirm back them. Yes, I have 900 cans, I can confirm it. So this is a faster communication service. So here we can give customer confirmation to the customer that we can supply you 900 tons of product to the customer PepsiCo. So like this kind of improved customer service. Okay. Even though we can say when I'm say now I have 900 only, now 100 is pending is there. So what I do immediately, based on this, my MRP, the production planning team will run the MRP. Then he will procure that raw material and he will give to the customers finished product. Like it will integrated system. It will help to perform all the transactions on time, and delivery time will be improved, and customer service also improved. So this way we can improve that. Okay. And data security is there, better inventory management means when production guy is play created order for production order. In that case, the procurement guy, he will start sorry, okay, he will start procuring raw material for the production order. Okay, so this way and he can track all the inventory stocks and purchasing orders, everything he can track on the system. So it's
The QA/QC.
transparent. Yeah. Huh? Yes. And reduce scrap. He can. What happened? Sorry. Hello. Okay.
Hello.
Yes, yes, tell me.
Nothing, sir. Nothing.
Okay, sorry, sorry. Okay, fine. Now, see, there are also, it helps to reduce scrap, scrap, it also improve production capacity, efficiency, like say, for example, if your how it production capacity improves, how the scrap we can save the scrap. I'll tell you. See, like I have some past past sales figures. Okay, based on that, what I do, I will do my MRP planning. Okay, so this will generate orders based on my past sales history. Okay, so let's say for the last October month 24, I need only 300 of finished product. So based on this history, what will MRP will procure all the raw materials. MRP will help to procure all the raw material. Yeah, MRP will help to procure all the raw material, and production team will start producing this finished product. Okay, they'll keep in the stock. So when a customer asks, they can deliver to them immediately. Okay, so this kind of things, this kind of we can improve the production capacity. Okay. And here also there is some scheduling is there, it is for PP person. There is a scheduling, detail scheduling is there. Detail scheduling means each work center, how many order we can perform on time was like hourly, how many order I can perform at work center one and work center two, how many orders I can perform. These all things are there. These all things are possible in. These all things help to improve production capacity, and this will also reduce the scrap. Okay, like this. And apart from this, we have improved decision making on the financial side and CRM side also, and we have analysis and reports. Okay, these are the major the SAP helps organizations to get business benefits. Okay, so this is now overview of SAP function models and integrations. Okay, so here, as per S4 HANA, we have all these models are there. There are more than 60 models, but I have just captured few of them. Okay, so this is asset management means that it is maintenance, plant maintenance, and manufacturing is nothing but production planning, and sourcing is procurement is nothing but your SAP material management. Supply chain we have, sales we have, R&D we have, all these things. So this is SAP, the function models, there are integrated, all these are integrated each other, and these all give you clear, transparent of the dashboard for organization data, business data. Okay, it will help you to integrate all these models. All these models are get integrated within the SAP. Okay, so okay, how will integrate? I'll give you some overview. Maybe you can very use the word. Okay, SAP integration. Okay. Now, do you know how anyone can give me how the department works in a organization? Okay, maybe I have something here. 1 minute. Let me check. Any slides are there? No, there is no slides. Okay, fine. I'll explain here only. Okay, let me explain. See, I have here one sales module. Okay, now I'll put this production planning module. Okay, I put sales here. Okay, sales model here, and customer Okay, sales, customer here. I do one procurement. Okay, here I do finance. Here I do maintenance and quality. Okay, so first customer create one order indent. That indent will come to this company. Let's say I'll put this company name as a Jesse Foods. Okay, Jesse Foods is a the company. Uh, Customer PepsiCo has sent some order. Okay, that order will come to Jesse company one. Okay, this is in India. Okay, so this customer will check with sales. They say we need thousands of order. Okay, so here when he see when this customer talk with only with sales team. Okay, so this is an interface with sales team and customer. This is the integration. When customer asks to sales, ask them to give 1,000 products of the cans. So sales team will next talk with he will talk with warehouse. Sorry, I didn't put warehouse. I'll put warehouse here. Warehouse where we store finished product. Okay. The sales team first, when he get order from the customer, he will check in the system and he will confirm the order back to the customer. Okay. Here, the sales and warehouse are integrated. Okay. Means whenever the order comes, the sales team will check in the system and they will check in the each uh, they'll check in the warehouse finished product location that will call as a finished product storage location. They will check in the finished product location, then they will confirm back to the customer team. Okay. If this product is not there, then sales team will contact production planning team. Production planning will team they will they will start production for the 1,000 quantity. If the 1,000 quantity is not available and they will start production and they will here sales and production is talking. Okay, so these sales people will tell I have indent of 1,000 quantity, please produce it and give back to me. And production team will planning team will they will plan for this 1,000 production and they will check with procurement whether do we have raw material to produce or not. And they'll also check with finance whether we have fund to procure raw material or not. And it also the production planning team also check with maintenance and quality team or do we have do all the machines are working condition or they have any problem, whether quality labs are uh, all the quality arrangements is there or not. They'll check all this. This is completely integrated. Okay, like SAP has integrated fully with each other models. There are more than 50 models are there, so like each model talk with each other. Okay, customer talk with sales will talk with warehouse people, and production they'll talk, and the production will talk with procurement, finance, maintenance, quality, HR team. So many models are there. Okay, so I'm just giving one example. So like this, there are so many models. The transport model is there, HR model is there. Okay, so banking is there, finance is there, human resource is there, production safety model is there, production safety and stewardship is there. Uh, like this, there is so many sales models. All the models are there. Do you have any questions here? Any doubt in this, in my explanation? Any doubt?
No.
Okay. Is it clear, right?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the overview of integration of SAP modules. So all the model get integrated. See, there is also commerce is there. Commerce model is something when your organizations into retail. So what they do, they might have their own e-commerce platform. Okay, so SAP integrate with e-commerce platform that will automate the all orders, and it will sync up all the stock from SAP to e-commerce platform. Like this is also integrate. HR model is there. HR model is something you have a 500 of staff. You are you what their salary, monthly salary, what is their roles, responsibilities, what is their designation, what is their all the things, what is their location, to whom they are reporting. These are all things we can manage in this system. R&D engineering, and there will be engineering change management will be there. If the company wants to change their business to another product, in that case they can use re-engineering module. And we have supply chain management. Supply chain is something if they want to transport goods from one place to another place, there's a transport management is there. And we also have supply chain management like demand planning, logistic planning, all these things. So there are various models are there. More than 50 models are there. Okay, sorry. Yeah, this is something. This is a overview of SAP functional model in integration. Now we'll move to SAP S4 platform. Okay, SAP S4 platform is something. It has four different suites of see. SAP is S4 integrated. It is S4HANA platform is there, and SAP Fiori is there, and it has integrated with all the advanced media like big data, mobility, IoT, business network, social network, real-time transitions. Everything it has integrated with all the latest technologies. Okay, in the SAP S4HANA platform, we have Fiori also. Fiori S4HANA database, in-memory database, all these things. So, and there are, see, these are the different editions are there. S4HANA comes with S4 on-premise and S4 cloud. On-premise means this is a traditional license, where the company wants to manage the server on their own premises. Okay, they want to manage their data in their own premises. Okay, they need to have own team of database team and all the maintenance team, and they'll be paying yearly the annual maintenance cost for that. And see, there are many organizations they are still going for on-premise, like big companies, PepsiCo and all. They use most of the business process. They use on-premise only. Okay, whereas you come to cloud, when it's cloud, there are SMEs are there, mid-sized companies. They always prefer go to subscription-based model, means that is SaaS-based model that they can pay whatever they use software, they will pay for that only. They pay on a monthly basis, quarterly basis, or yearly basis. Whatever they use, they pay for that only. Okay. So this is and on-premise, there are we have all those models are there. Full scope S4 HANA model integrates with SAP success factors. This is nothing but HR model. And field glass, it is for field management. Fabris, SAP Jam, SAP Ariba. Ariba is nothing but procurement management tool. And here, when the cloud, they have uh, they have success structure. Similar products are there. Okay, and when you come to cloud edition, there are two types are there. One is private cloud and public cloud. Private cloud means only the single tenant means if your company, if they are private means nobody can see their data, nobody can share with the cloud storage. They are only the owner of that cloud, that is private cloud. Public cloud means on the cloud storage. Let's say now I'm using Google Drive. I am not only one person. I am using Google Drive. There are many people out there. They are using Google Drive. That becomes public cloud. Okay, like we have private cloud and public cloud. Okay, do you have any doubts as of now?
Sir,
Cloud.
one question.
Yeah.
J- if we are using the cloud edition,
Okay.
data will be saved in on premises or cloud edition? Which
No
was
cloud
the better?
edition. It is on the cloud.
Cloud is the best.
No, yeah, because cost-wise, cloud is the best. Because now even most top companies like Pepe Jeans, some part of PepsiCo and
Security wise,
security-wise, no. SAP says we have security, but that is SAP only knows that because SAP has all data. That cloud has all data. Okay, whenever your account clashes, they will restore that. Okay, that means they have all your data on their cloud. Okay, that is actually it is secure, but it is on their server. The server is not part of our company. Server is somewhere else. It is in America or somewhere in India or somewhere else. So, in my
German.
opinion, it is not secure as compared to on-premise. But cost-wise,
Okay.
yes, cost-wise, it will save you a lot of money when you go to cloud. It will, and also if you go to cloud, you don't need to hire any team for the cloud, the infrastructure team, the server team, server network team, server maintenance team. You don't need all this team. Okay, instead of that you go
Yes.
cloud and use that. Nowadays,
No, sir,
as yes,
not sir, my question is not on cost.
uh,
My question is just only regarding security purpose.
security, yes, I can say yes, sir, but not 100%.
Okay, okay.
See, SAP says data security is there, but if you compare it on premise, it is not. Okay.
Okay.
So this is SAP HANA Fairy looks. SAP HANA Fairy is one of the user interface that will you can do any transactions through your laptop, to your mobile phone, or your pump top, anything. So this is SAP Fairy. So this is now 1908 models was there. Now recently they have brought Core them. That is Fairy 2 was there. So this is a high versions
Sir,
now we have.
this is the same like the Power BI dashboard.
Now most of dashboards looks like this only nowadays. If we take SAP,
This is
if we
good,
take
sir. This is good.
yeah, this is good. If we take SAP, if we take Power BI, if we take Microsoft, so many sort of, if we take Dynamics, JD AdWords, all looks like this only. That's what SAP also now coming to. SAP also come in the same platform. They design the like this. They design this feature. Okay. So
This is good.
yeah, now we have deep dive session for each module. Like manufacturing, I'll do asset. I'll do and sourcing and procurement. I'll arrange one team. The Arjun is there, and yeah, rest of the models, some team is there. Okay. So, for example, production planning, I will see these are the production planning production planning is mainly help to optimize your production process efficiently. Okay. Let's say if you plan for organizations, so what are the different raw materials you need? What are the components you need to produce that finished product? What are the different capacity I need to get that final product? What are the lead time I have? All the things SAP manufacturing helps you. Okay. So majorly SAP enables you real-time tracking of raw materials and components, finished goods. It helps with the material availability and lead times. Okay. So here, this is how it looks. Um, so when I take master data, so there are many master data I can show you. Uh, like there are. Let me take to SAP. 1 minute. I'll just check it. Okay. So like says, this is how SAP looks like production planning. These are one of our client. So let's say Prakush is there. Okay, Prakrit, this is for you. This is production planning. Okay, in the production planning, we have like see SAP looks like this. It is S4 here. One of our customer see it looks like in the menu you will see all the modules. Like under the logistic, you will see material management. This is for purchasing inventory and the physical inventory, all these things. This is for procurement guy. And on the here you'll see production planning. See under the production planning, you see master data like material master. You will see material master means whether it is finished product or raw material or semi-finished product, like all these things. Okay, so like say when I display, when I like it will show all my products for that particular client. Okay, particular plant that will say, and we have bill of material is there. Bill of material is something master data. See, I'm trying to explain master data, PP master data. Okay, here what you have, we have material master. Material master means where your finished product or your raw material, whatever is there. And we have BOM, okay, bill of material. Bill of material is something, to make one finished product, you need raw materials, you need packaging materials, you need a semi-finished product, all these things, right? So it will show you all the, uh, you know, design. It will show you all the list of components, okay? And where BOM will be for the finished product, BOM one, and for packaging will be BOM two. Okay, like you have work center. Work center is where you place any operations. Work center is a machine where you perform any task for the in the production planning. department. So work center will be many, machine one, machine two, number of. Okay. And even your labor also can be machine. Your one location also can be machine. Okay. These are the machines. And you can say routing. Routing means routing is something, when you want to when you want to produce one finished product, like you want to produce cans manufacturing. In this case, you need to when you want if you want to produce this finished product, you need to have some procedure, right? Procedure to make that finished product. Let's I want to produce cans finished product. I need to apply some procedures. Like I will do first. I'll get all the raw materials, and I will make one semi-finished product through, let's say, through molding. I will do that through the molding. I will do the first process called, we can say, operation one. We can say operation two. In the operation two, what I'll do assembling. Uh, Okay. And operation three, I will do packaging. Like these are different procedures I will do. Different operations or procedures you can to make this finished product. Okay. So these are the different master data we have uh, in production planning. Okay. So these are production planning master data. These are core master data. Okay. Once you finish these master data, when you finish your master data, like your bill of material, your work center, routing, all these things, then you go to the planning part. Okay, planning part means now I will remove this. Okay, now here PP planning part. What I do here, I will do my see. I have a customer given me order of 1,000 quantity, so I will do my planning here. I will do production planning, right? So my production planning team will check all the raw materials available or not, whether we have stock or not, whether stock is there, or whether we have raw materials in place to produce this 1,000 quantity for the customer. They'll check all these things. Production planning team. So they do production planning. Uh, uh, Against this intent, they will do MRP run. When they run MRP, when they run MRP is material requirement planning. MRP will check the stock. MRP will check all the raw material. MRP will check the packaging materials. It will check when the how much stock is. Let's say my stock is I have only 200, but my order is 1,000. So SAP MRP will give stock required minus stock 800. 800 still we need. And raw material, it will check if the raw material available is 800. Sorry, let us 700 raw material is there. It will say 300. Still we need to procure raw material from supplier. And packaging also is there. It is we have 900 packaging materials. Still we need to procure 1,000 materials. Like MRP will give all these orders. This will give production order. This will give here procurement order. This also procurement order, purchasing order. We can say See, this production order will become a production order. Sorry, sorry. Okay. So when MRP converts, MRP generate order. MRP says 800. I need to create production order. Okay. Then procurement order will be my 300 plus 100, 400 procurement order total. So this is my production planning. Okay. This is my production planning process. So here I did my production planning. The next I'll do execution. Okay. In execution, what will happen? I will convert these 800 production order to the shop floor. I will take to the shop floor I will I'll tell shop floor executive to produce this 800 quantity. So what he'll do, he will create production order. He will he will confirm, he will release production order. Release production order means he is going to produce that 800 quantity. Okay. And also, what happened? This raw material 300 and raw material 100 order. These order will will taken care by material management team, team. Team, they will send these purchase order to the suppliers. Okay, they'll send this purchase order to suppliers, supplier, and they will procure this material from the suppliers. Okay, so then on once they got, let's say here supplier will get this production order. See, based on my production execution, today work center one has capacity of uh, 500 500 kg pieces. So in that case, now work center one will give one date. It will give date like a in 30 days. I can say 3rd of 11, 3rd of November. It will give 30 days. Work center 2 will give remaining 300. It will give date December. Okay, like this. So these, when I create production order, it will tell this work center, from this work center, we can able to produce 500 quantity on this date, 3rd November. And from remaining 300 quantity from the work center 3, work center 2 from the date 3rd of December. So this is our production date. Okay. And in the same way, the order, purchase order, like let's say supplier one, he will produce 300 quantity. He will say, I'll supply 300 quantity on date of 2nd November. Okay, supplier 2 also says, I'll produce this 100 quantity on 2nd of December. Based on this input, based on this my plant planning, my plant execution, the MRP will give the finished product date. Okay, so this product can be delivered on date 3rd of November. Okay, see, the 800 quantity I can give on 3rd of November. This quantity will confirm back to the customer by sales team. This is confirmation. Okay. So based on that, in what happened in PP, there is a one confirmation is there. Okay. Confirmation I will do. I will tell that this 3rd November will be. I'm going to confirm 800 quantity on 3rd day, and I'll confirm. I'll do all the goods movements. Okay. Goods movement means postings. You know, right? Postings. We will post all the raw materials to the plant, and from the shop floor to the plant, and like warehouse to the plant, all these things. These are the goods movement. Goods movement will happen. So to produce my 800 quantity, I will bring all the supplies, this 400, 400 quantity from storage location 1, storage location 2. I'll bring all these to the my production planning location. Production location. So this is something goods movement will happen. We'll move all the stocks, all the raw materials from stock on the raw material storage location 1, storage location 2 to the production location 1. We will move all these stocks, all this raw material. That is goods movement. From storage locations warehouse to storage locations finished production location, that is a goods movement happens. Okay, once I complete my production order, once I close the order, once I confirm, we can say confirm order. Confirm order. Then what happened? These 800 quantity will go to warehouse stock. This is called as a warehouse stock. Okay. From warehouse stock, we can send to the customer. So this is the from warehouse stock, we can deliver this 800 product to the customer, PepsiCo. So this is the process. This is how process works. Production planning, from starting from master data, from the planning for production planning, we'll do, and we'll do shop floor. We'll do MRP. We'll do shop floor. We will release the order. We will release purchase order. We'll do all the work center capacity calculation, and we'll do order confirmation. We'll do goods movement. Finally, we once we confirm order, we'll move that stock to the warehouse stock. From the warehouse stock, we will deliver to the customer. So, Prakyat, in the Ahmed, do you have any questions? Do you have? Is it
No,
clear?
no.
This my explanation is
Yes,
clear.
yes.
Okay.
Sir, my question is this.
Huh.
Here's right on stock 200, raw 700, pack-in 900, MRP minus
Hmm.
800. How you minus 800? It means 1,000 is required.
Yeah. See, my 1000 is my requirement. Permit, I'll tell. 1000 is my indent,
Yeah,
but in the stock, I have only 200. Remaining 800 is
yes.
my requirement to the my plant. This shortage,
Okay,
800 is my shortage for the finished product. Okay.
okay, okay.
Is it clear, right? So I I need to produce 800 quantity to fulfill the intent.
Okay, is it clear, sir? 8 minus 800 means 800 further required, na? But
Ah,
raw
required,
material
required.
700, yeah, 700, 300 purchase order. What do you mean by 300 here?
Okay,
Raw.
it's okay. 1 minute. No, no, yeah. This is also what? Sorry, this is also minus only. Required, I'm saying. Required,
Uh,
required, not ready. These are minus only. These are required. You can say shortage,
okay, 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 okay,
shortage. These all are
okay.
shortages. Either a comment. Okay, सब shortage ही है. These are shortage. Instead of many,
Okay.
what I did instead of these are shortages. These are the 300 minor. See,
To yeah, to cover up 1,000 remaining quantities, we are purchase order and production order. Okay.
yes. See, 1000 may I have stock finished product. See, this is something. This stock is something finished product. This stock,
Hmm.
maybe I'll put finished product stock. Finished product stock is 200 only. So remaining 800, I am going to create production order. Okay. And this is two are for raw materials. This is for in the raw material, I have 700 in the stock I have. Let me put stock. Okay. This is also stock. Okay. This is requirement. I'll put here. Like this formula हो गया है. ठीक है. This is requirement. ठीक है. These all are requirement only. Requirement.
Okay, sir, one another thing, if we are just required the 1,000 in raw
Hmm.
material, 700 packing 900. Okay, for the 1000 cans,
Ah,
these are the things are available now.
yeah. See, to produce 1000,
Okay.
मेरे को 1000 प्रोड्यूस करना है, ठीक है. I want to produce 1000 quantity of finished product. I need 1000 quantity of this, right? I need 1000 quantity of raw material. चाहिए मेरे को I need packaging material. I need all other things. But in the stock I have eight finished product stock. I have only 200. Means 800 quantity मेरे पास नहीं है. I don't have any I have shortage of 800 finished product. To produce this 800 finished product, I need to procure these are raw materials. How? Raw material we have. We have raw material also in the stock. Raw material 700 we have for and packaging material we have 900 in the stock. But shortage is only 300 for raw materials and 100 for the packaging material. So these are all our shortages. You can say shortages, requirement. ठीक है. 800 plus 300 is 1000 to fulfill my order, my finish orders, my indent in 1000 quantity. To fulfill my indent, I need these many orders, these many components in my finished product. Is it clear?
Okay, clear.
Yeah, no, to produce these finished product, I need to do all these activities. I need to check my machine capacity, whether possible or not. When this machine able to give my finished product, on which date machine can produce this quantity, that I need to check. And I also need to check when the supplier is going to send that raw material. That also I need to check. So raw material will be I will get it by supplier by 2nd of November and supply to 2nd of December. Based on this, I can confirm my finished goods. I can give my one final date to my 3rd of 800 quantity. I can give by 3rd of November. Then I'll confirm that. I'll do goods movement. I'll send this 800 stock to the customer. It's clear. Yeah, I think it's clear only. Clear, है ना?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. So this is a Prakyat. Do you have any questions? I think this is majorly for you since you are from
No,
production planning.
no question, sir. I went
You're
through.
clear?
I went through. Yeah, clear.
Okay. Fine. Fine. And there are several other reports are there for production
Uh,
planning. Yes,
sir,
please.
sir,
Yeah.
sir, just only one question.
Yeah.
This screen of SAP is for SAP ECC, SAP S4, or SAP S4 HANA, SAP Ferry.
Okay. So what is the
No,
question?
you
Yeah.
you open, sir. Open the SAP
Is it S4 HANA? S4 HANA.
S4 HANA. Okay,
Yeah. Not Fieri. S4 HANA.
okay,
Fieri,
sir.
I need to open through the web portal, web browser.
Okay,
What
okay.
is
I can show you that in the next class because I don't have that user ID. I have to check with my team. Okay. So and there are many other. Yeah. Yes. Okay. So this is production planning. There are many other things are there. Those Prakrit we can do in the next class. This is since overview. I have given some inputs on the different master data, different production planning activities, and execution how it works. All these things. Okay. And here also, let's say when I am producing my when I am producing my 800 quantity, this production planning team also checks with plant maintenance team. This is for IM1. Okay. The plant maintenance teams, what they do, they'll create maintenance order also. Let's say in between, okay, when I'm when I'm going to produce this 800 quantity on machine 1 and machine 2, uh, what will happen in between? There is some problem with machine 1. I may get delay for 2 3 hours. Okay. In that case, what will happen? We will create maintenance order for this particular work center with respect to that production order. So he will create and he will come and he will do the machine cleaning and all machine fixing the he'll fix the machine and he will check what is the problem with the machine, what is the budget he need to fix that machine, what is the time he need to fix. Based on that also, this system will calculate there may be finished product may also be changed. Date might be changed. If the machine got breakdown for a long time, in that case also this delivery might be delayed because production stop, right? So like this plant maintenance orders also get created here. There are many prevention maintenance are there. I'll explain that. Next, I'll explain plant maintenance only. Yeah, this is something plant maintenance in SAP. We call it as a enterprise asset management. Okay, this is in S4 HANA we call it as a EAM, enterprise asset management. That is nothing but plant maintenance. Plant maintenance, it is majorly used to perform the machines to prevent any uh, damage, to to do the performance, improve the performance of the machine, to keep machine on track, keep the machine working 24 by 7. These all things are there. These are things we can do with the plant maintenance. That is asset management. In the plant maintenance also, we have various methods. We have like corrective maintenance, preventive maintenance. We can perform corrective maintenance. We can perform emergency maintenance, classification, serial numbers. Many things are there. And apart from that, we can do theory application along with this. All the things. I'll show you few of them. Uh, yeah, here. So can you see my screen, right? I think who is Ahmed for plant
Yes, yes.
maintenance. Yeah, see, in the plant maintenance, we have several master datas. Like we have equipment. Equipment means, like say, you have uh, maintenance equipment to maintain one, like say for lathe machine. If you want to maintain that lathe machine, you need to have all the equipment to uh, keep the performance keep the performance improved and work the system working, all those things. Okay, for this you have to create all the equipments to perform that maintenance activity on that particular location. There are equipments. We create equipments. Let me try if I can show, maybe you get some idea. You can see equipment by asset number, equipment by cost center. Cost center means, see, in the company, there will be org structure. Under that, we have different department like finance is there, sales, all these things. And we have one cost center will be there. Under one company, there will be controlling the center, and under that cost center, we have that cost center assigned to this particular equipment. So we can, whatever you spend that on equipment, it will update the cost to the
11:30.
cost center. Okay, like we have all these things. Let me try. Okay, I don't know. I think anything is there or not. Okay, material by, you can see material serial number for that particular. You can see this material, this particular material is linked to the serial number. Serial number is for equipment. We assign serial number to the particular equipment. Okay, then we will have batch. This material number will be stored in this particular storage location. And this is a plant. So all these things connected to that. This you can see equipment number. This number is connected to the particular batch and the plant, and there will be serial number assigned to that. Like we can see equipment, and we can also define, and we also define bill of material for we can define material, we can define like finished product or equipment will be equipment also will be your machine. Uh, Uh, and we can also define any component you need for that maintenance, right? There'll be if you want to if you want to fix any issue at the machine, you may need any uh, maintenance material, right? Like you need some equipments to fix. You need some oil or something, some grease. Many things are there. Those are things will be come under as a material for the equipment for the plant maintenance. So you can define all those material here. And same here, you can define bill of material to for that. This bill of material is majorly used to calculate cost of the for particular order. Okay, and it gives list of component to find the cost for the finished product. Okay, like you have and you have notifications. This is very important for maintenance activities. If there is any machine got breakdown, in that case you will get a notification. You have to create a notification in the system, and that will inform all the maintenance supervisors. So there will be technicians, right? I think I will try to explain that in the maintenance hierarchy. In the maintenance hierarchy, there will be, I think, technicians are right. ITI technicians will be there, right? Mohammed,
Yes,
technicians
yes.
will be there. Supervisors are there. Supervisors, supervisor maybe they may hold any degree or something, and there will be engineers will be there. Maintenance engineers, plant maintenance. For them, they need maybe they they may be BTech B or BTech or any background, that engineering background, they are engineers. So these notification, when you generate notification, this notification automatically go to your business end user. Then it will come to uh, first it will go to end user. Uh, and let's say your maintenance end user for PepsiCo, you have a plant maintenance lead. Okay, sorry, plant maintenance lead. So these notification from SAP will generate notification that will goes to the lead first. Then lead will uh, assign to his team member this kind of workflow. Then if there is any issue, then they will send this notification to technician. Okay, technician or supervisor or engineer. Like notification works here. Okay, and
Sir, this notification goes to PM lead or team member and others automatically or
automatically,
sent.
automatically, automatically. So these are the we need to set up in the system. Okay, whenever there is a problem, the email will goes to your business lead, PM, plant maintenance lead, then the team member. Then along with that, it also goes to technicians. Okay, here, let's say
The
you are the
person which
engineer.
is already
Yeah.
add in this machine, then
Yes.
automatically goes.
Yes. 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 Then your engineer will assign on supervisor ITI guy to fix that. This is a workflow. First, system will send notification. It will go to lead. Then lead will uh, distribute. The workflow
Actually,
will go to.
Actually, they are assigned work center. For example, one machine is
Yes.
there are
Yes. Of
three
course.
department. One is mechanical, one is instrument, one is electrical.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So, for example, in machine motor problem, so they will create notification in work center electrical team. So this will automatically go to electrical team. If a
Yes.
mechanical
Yes.
problem,
Yes.
so like this. So
Yes. I agree. I agree. This all notification goes to different department like electrical, whatever it is, water problem, or any machines or machine main expert. Those are things we'll go to. These are the nothing but see notification we can set up based on the your machines only, whether your work center or your electric room or any kind of work center you can take. Work center can be a machine. Work center can be a labor or group of labor or location or functional place, anything. So this see each guys, the ITI guys, engineer are assigned to one location, one work center only, right? They see this lead might be engineer might he might assign to he need to take care all three work centers. Okay, but this PM lead he might be he is in charge for entire plant, right? So he is the head for entire plant. So he knows who is working on which work center, which technician is where in which work center. He knows all these things. But notification goes to all people. It's workflow. PM lead will go, it will go each work center, it will go to each technicians. Okay? Is it clear? Huh? Yeah. Similarly, you have notification, you have uh, your different completion orders will be there. You need to create orders. Okay. See, order for the notification, order for the sub order, refurbishment orders. There are different type orders are there. Okay, and you can this is kind of report and component list is something to complete that order. You what are the components are there that it will show. What are the budget are there and what is the inspection processing is there. This maintenance team are also integrated with quality management team for inspection. Okay, and preventive maintenance also there. Like preventive means you don't want to you want to take actions in advance for all the machines. So your production accuracy might may should not come down. So preventive maintenance we have in that also you can create preventive, you can create the maintenance and or create order against that and you can perform that. Okay, these are the standard SAP we have. All the informations are there. Any doubt, Ahmed?
No,
Yeah, if we can since this is just overview class, I can give only the little bit about this. In the next session, we can go through detail level. What are the different master data we have, equipment, serial number, how to create equipment, how to create serial number, how to create bill of material. Those all things we can go one by one. That will take, see, for plant maintenance, it'll take 30 hours, 30 to 35 hours for, see, I will explain that. We'll finish in 5 minutes, okay? It's already too late. See, course will be uh, 30 hours course plus this is sorry, this is for PM. Okay. This is theoretical 30 hours and lab access. I'll give lab. Some of my team will give lab as practice also. That will give explain the lab, and this will go almost 60 days of course. Okay, and you will get 2 months of system access server. Okay, and for PP also same. The course will go 60 days and same, almost same only everything. Okay, I'm not I don't know much about but I'll ask my one of my team person to take me through module. Who is here? I think Khalid.
Ahmed for material management.
Huh?
Ahmed.
You both are same. Okay, plant maintenance. Okay, okay, okay. Fine. Do you have any questions? I am happy to answer you. Do you have any doubts? Any questions?
No questions from my side. It was a good session, sir, on production planning module.
Yeah. Thank you. So, Ahmed, do you have any doubts?
No.
Ahmed and Khalid. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, fine then. Thank you. Thank you for your time. All the best. Yeah.
Okay,
We'll talk
thanks,
in
sir.
next section. All the best. Thank you.
Yes.
Bye bye. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Bye, Khalid. Bye, Ahmed.
Bye. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Bye.